Hey guys, so in this video, I will show you guys how to get Delta Executor on iOS and Android. So this is super cool, guys. So as you can see, I got it right here. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it. So let's get straight into the video. So as you can see, guys, it's loading right here. So I'm just going to give it a second to load up. So as you can see, guys, we have all the settings here. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it onto your device. So let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So as you can see, we got all the settings, so it's super cool. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it. So let's get into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you how to get it. So as you can see, I can use it. It actually works. So the first thing we're going to do, guys, is go to the website install-delta.com. So let me just type this in right here, as you can see. So once you're on this site, guys, you can download it. So let me just go ahead and put it in right here. So now we're going to press the button that says start injecting, and it's going to start downloading onto your device. So I'm just going to go ahead and press on that, and it's going to ask you if you're using an iPhone or an Android. So just go ahead and pick the device, press inject, and then the last thing is the verification. So this is where we got to download like 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's completely for free, guys, from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So you just want to press verify now. It's going to bring you the list of apps, and you just have to download 2 of these apps, follow the instructions, and then we should be all set. So let's just wait. You can see all the apps here. So you just want to download some of these. So I'm going to do this one. So it's going to take me to the app store. I'm going to go ahead and download it. So let's just give it a second for it to redirect me, as you can see. So now I'm going to go back to the list and do another one. So let me just go to the home screen now. And I'm just going to wait for these to download. Alright, so I'm just going to do this one as well. So let's just go ahead and go to the home screen and see what happens. Alright, let's see if it works. So this is the moment of truth, guys. Alright, so the Evertail's done, so I'm going to run it. I'm just going to do some basic interactions, touching around, whatever, nothing too crazy. So let me just go ahead and do that right here so you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just going to play through it right here. So let's just go ahead and do that, as you can see. So I'm just going to run this, just doing some basic interactions, touching around, whatever. Nothing too crazy. So let me just go ahead and play through this right here. Alright, so I'm just running this right here. So yeah, it's pretty easy. So I'm just going to do this for a little bit more. So anyway, guys, let's go to the home screen now and do another one. So I'm just going to go ahead and go do this other one, which is the Bible. So just run this right here, as you can see. Just doing some basic interactions. So let me just go ahead and run this. Alright, so I'm just doing some basic stuff. So yeah, it's pretty easy, guys. So I'm just going to run this for a little bit more, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just playing through it. So let's just go ahead and do this right here, as you guys can see. Alright, just running it. Alright, so it's pretty simple. So once you're done, guys, you should have it on your device. So be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, because this is super cool, guys. It totally works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, it is super cool, guys. So get the word out, and it should work for you. So yeah, this is super awesome, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos about Delta Executor, guys. As you can see, it is fully working, guys. So this is super cool.